Hey guys, welcome to Living Survival. Today I have the Swiss Army Farmer knife, which makes a great EDC pocket knife. So I'm going to go over that with you guys, so stay with me. So ALOX models come in this aluminum, this kind of grippy aluminum instead of plastic, and you can get them in all different colors like silver, red, blue, orange. Current models are the Farmer. I believe you can get the Classic and the Cadet also in the ALOX. So Swiss Army knives are pretty popular for some people. They usually come with a variety of tools, and you can get them in all different models. For everyday carry, I still prefer to carry a multi-tool such as the Leatherman Wave. Little features such as the tools, the blades, and the saw, for example, lock back with a little liner lock here. I guess you could call it kind of a liner lock. But what that allows you to do is much heavier cutting, and especially with the saw on this Farmer, although a great saw and will work great as a saw, doesn't work so well for striking a ferro rod because it doesn't lock, so it can flip up and hit your hand pretty easily, and it is very sharp. So I wouldn't really recommend this for heavy use, but for everyday carry in a pocket, a great overall blade. So some of the features on this ALOX model, the Farmer, are a nice large blade. Comes very sharp. Definitely can handle your everyday cutting tasks, as well as some light wood cutting and carving. It has a great saw on it. Again, a great saw for cutting small limbs, but I wouldn't use it to strike a ferro rod. It is very sharp, so you can strike it, but not really recommended since it doesn't lock open. Now, one of the things I really like on the ALOX Farmer is the saw, and as you guys know from my previous videos, I often use the saw on the Leatherman Wave with my ferro rod to do some light bushcrafting, and you can definitely do that with the ALOX Farmer. Now, you do have to be a little bit more careful because the blades don't lock and the saw doesn't lock, whereas on the Leatherman Wave they do lock into place, making it, in my opinion, a better option, but you can certainly still do that with the Farmer. Now you want to be really careful when you do this, as I said, because the blade doesn't lock. So if you push really hard, it's going to bend up on you, but you can still lightly do it. as opposed to the saw on the Leatherman Wave, which does lock into place. It also has a really nice awl, which makes it a great tool for in the bush for poking holes, running string or cordage through in a pinch. And then it also has a can opener with a flat blade screwdriver, and on the other side a can opener with a smaller flat blade screwdriver. So all that in addition to the key ring definitely make it a nice option for everyday carry. So current ALOX production models, I believe, are the Classic, the Cadet, and the Farmer. And previous models that you can still find out there, and they also have a saw, are the Lumberjack, Woodsman, Wilderness, and Bushcrafter. A great accessory to add to your Swiss Army knife is this P7 suspension clip. This allows you to clip it in your pocket, so it kind of will dangle free in your pocket, and it allows you to easily retrieve it instead of having it deep down in your pocket, and you'll hardly know it's there. So I hope you guys like this quick review of the Swiss Army ALOX Farmer. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments below, and be sure to stay tuned for more videos.